could turn out like this. Oh baby, how did we know we would be married today? How did we get so lucky to find each other and feel the same way? I just want you to know I love you for the rest of my life. I stand before you today and I want to say I love you for the rest of my life. If you ever need a hand to lean on to give you strength, I will be there just as you were there for me.